Hey guys, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm kind of bored too. I'm really excited to start back to school, that's for sure. I wanted to just give you a quick introduction for today. I'll try to do this for you each day with what's going on. So for your six-word narrative or your six-word story, these are super fun. They can be challenging, but they are very interesting and creative and have lots of different avenues for you to be able to just explore and have a good time. Okay? So basically, what we're doing is, in case you don't know what any of this is we're going to write a narrative, but we're only going to use 6 words on for each like scene of that narrative. Okay? So what does that mean? Well, whenever I want to know about something, I always Google it. So, because I love the Google. So let's Google 6-word narrative. When you Google 6-word narrative, look at all the stuff that comes up here. Okay, you can see here, it's like you just write 6 words like, never let no one steal your joy. Never let no one steal your joy, right? I love the out of everyone I choose you. Right? Out of everyone I choose you. So just feel the power of just a few words, right? So we're really working on being able to write with just a few words and being able to express ourselves, all right? You can write these in English or Spanish or, my favorite, Spanglish. Those are always good to use, okay? Use both your languages or all your languages, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, I would like for you guys to Google 6-word narratives or 6-word stories and just kind of surf around a little bit. These are all included. These links are included in your document today. But you'll see here's some examples of just 6-word like phrases or 6-word sentences, okay? How about this one? This is totally me. I should have bought a GPS. I get lost all the time. I'm not very good with directions at all. Okay? How's this? I see you lurking. Watch this. I like this one too. Her dreams kept her reality warm. Okay? I really like some of these. There's a couple of inappropriate ones there, so we'll kind of stay away from those, okay? So anyway, this link is on your document, and there's also another link. I'll show it to you real quick. Is down here. It's like, how do you write a 6-word story? Well, you write a 6-word story by thinking about the words, selecting a few words, join them with verbs and prepositions, use appropriate punctuation, and it doesn't have to be a full sentence. Okay, so these steps here are for you in your document as well. But if you click on this one here, this is another link that's here for you to read today. And you can read about how this woman kind of got the concept of a 6-word narrative. She says what a 6-word story is from a reader's perspective, kind of the process of writing it. What does a 6-word story mean to you as an author or as a writer? It's like, how do you do it? Okay, so it's a real quick article there, okay, for you to think about and to read and to think about. Today is a reading and thinking day and watching day. We're not going to do much analyzing. We'll do that tomorrow, okay? So here's the document that you've opened, right? You've downloaded that and you've watching me, okay? Here's an example of what your 6-word narrative could be. I would like for you to have 6 pictures, okay, or 6 photos. You might want to do a photo of your past, your distant past, your recent past, your present, your hopes and dreams, your fears, and your future. Or you could do just 6 photos of my life right now, or 6 photos of your family, or 6 photos of things that are important to you. Whatever it is, that's fine, so long as you have 6 pictures, and then you'll write 6 words that somehow connect or relate, that tell a story about that picture and how it relates to you, okay? And so it's a total of 36 words, but it'll probably be the hardest 36 words you've ever written, guys, okay? Your photos can be from your personal collection or they can be images from the internet. Your focus here is the way that you relate with only 6 words, the message for each photo. Okay, so I need you to relate that message to me. All right, so today again is reading about how to do it and then watching and seeing some examples. Okay, so I'm going to click on just one of these links today and then as an instructional part, and then you guys come back to this document and you click on the rest of them. Okay, so to click on something, you have to first click on the link itself, and then this will come up, or you have to hit Control and click. Okay, so let's just click on this YouTube video here. This is actually a student of mine from many, many years ago that created this one, and he did it with a WeVideo. He's got an app for that. Some of you may have Animoto, or you may have Vimeo, or something like that. But this was a student of mine who uploaded this for us on YouTube. Okay. All right. Do you feel like nobody cares? I love that. So you can see some of these pictures. Most of these pictures are from his own personal collection, right? And I really, really, really like his words there. So. Right. This was my student here. This is the kiddo right here. And that's the cafe. That's the cafeteria at Westy. Yeah, you're right. Okay. So, I'm not real sure how he put music in and all that kind of stuff. That was part of his own video that he had, the video maker that he had. So if you have one of those, great. Otherwise, you guys can do one in your Google Slides. And you'll see that later as we progress through this unit. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I tried to get a few more for you to watch today. So for today, again, just kind of get the meaning and figure out sort of how this might work for you. Be thinking about that, and then throughout the next 3 or 4 days, we'll work on writing. You have to make sure you turn some things into me so I can give you feedback. And I'll be giving feedback as quickly as you send it to me. Okay. Again, I'm kind of sitting here sort of bored, so give me some stuff to do. All right. Hey, I love you guys, and I hope you have a great, great week. Until next time, peace out.